Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account in two simple steps, guys. Let's click the Instagram app and let me show you. First thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on the lower right corner and click on your profile picture. Then you want you to go ahead and tap the three straight lines. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. Now, with the recent update, guys, all you gotta do is to click on Account Center. The next step will be simply to scroll down to the account settings and click on Personal Details. When you're at Personal Details, you need to click on Account Ownership and Control. When you're here at Account Ownership and Control, you will have the option to choose do you want to delete or deactivate your account. You have only these two choices and there's a major difference in between. Remember, you can indefinitely deactivate your account and wait until you decide to come back on the platform, but the content will not be lost. I want you to understand that. Versus you delete your account, you have 30 days to change your mind. So essentially, if you don't come back and recover your account in 30 days after you click delete, your account will be gone. But this is how you deactivate your account on Instagram in 2024, guys. For more tips and tricks, subscribe and come back for more.